how to check in online with Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can check in online with Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Hawaii account, either using the app or by using the website. So once you're logged in into your account and you can see the home page, the next thing that you have to do here is to click on check-in. You can see check-in on the main screen here. So just click on it. And by the time you check in, you can see the write-up which says guests may check in up to 24 hours in advance, but no less than 60 minutes prior to departure. Now, this is displaying as guests because I am currently a guest on the Hawaii Airlines account, since I don't have an account yet. But for you, if you have an account, ensure you sign in so that the check-in process can be easier. So once you're on this page, the next thing they have to do here is to type out your confirmation or your ticket code. By the time you made payment for a flight, you would get an e-ticket. So just check out the ticket and then copy out the number, paste it in here. Then also paste or type out your last name. So after typing in both of them, click on the search icon that you can see here. And after typing out the search, after clicking on the search icon, you'll be taken to a page where you will see your flight. Click on the flight and then follow the on-screen instructions, and then you'll be directed on how you can check in online with Hawaii Airlines. But the major way is to click on the check-in tab, come over to this page, type out your code, your last name, click on search, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.